Hey guys, in this video tutorial I want to go show you how you can bring photos to life. How you can animate your faces from a photo. So what you need is the app MyHeritage. So go to the Google Play Store or to the Apple Store and download the app MyHeritage. It's a family tree thing. When you're there, you need to go and sign up, whatever you like, with Facebook, Google, or create a new account. Okay, when you got that and you get some ads, just click on the top left and then it goes away. On the top page, you can see it. You go to the top left dots, to the lines up there. So when you're there, you go to Photos. And on the bottom right, you click the plus and go to Add Photos. Here you need to go Allow them, Access, and then choose a photo you want. When you got that, you go to Upload. They upload the photo, choose the photo, and then go to the first tool on the top menu. And we need to wait a lot here because it's progressing, it's animated your photo. Got this awesome thing. It's not looking that natural, but it's amazing. It's just made from a photo, not a video. It's a photo. So yeah, that's it. You can do this, I think, with any photo. If you enjoyed this tutorial, if it helps, please give it a like, comment below, and also go and check out my YouTube channel, Casey Director. Subscribe if you want to see more tutorials. I have lots and lots. I hope I see you next time. Bye bye.